Good evening, Hyderabad. Toss time here for the big final of CCL T10 Blast. And it sees the Telugu Warriors take on the Kerala Strikers. I'm Raman Bhanot, and with me, of course, here for the toss, I have the captains of the two teams. First and foremost, to my left is the captain of the Telugu Warriors, Akhil, their vice captain, Tarun, and of course, from the Kerala Strikers. Both these teams, remember, have an unbeaten record. Bala, the captain of the Kerala Strikers, along with the team owner, Mr. Raj Kumar. Pleasure to have you here with us, sir. We also have Mr. Ravinder Reddy, who's here with us from the Bharti Cements, the marketing director for Bharti. We also have here with us Mr. Hasija, the chairman, Carbon Mobile. There is Mr. Sanoba Beg, managing director, Pride India. And not to forget, we have Mr. Syed Irshad Rahman, the Senior Director, Damak Properties, Dubai. So toss time now, ladies and gentlemen. I've got the coin in my hand. I'm going to request Mr. Hasija to step forward and toss the coin. There you go. It's going to be Bala's call. Mr. Hasija to toss.
Heads.
Heads is the call. Tails is what's fallen on the denomination. So you've got the home team, Telugu Warriors, who win the toss. Akhil, what are you going to do?
We're very happily going to bowl first. We've been a very comfortable chasing team, so all the best to you guys. Let's have a great game.
Well, have a good game. They're going to bowl first. Bala lost the toss, but would you be happy setting a target for them to chase?
Definitely. We, as I said before, every match is finals. So we are so excited. It's a new task for us because last two matches we are chasing, and we are going to prove our talent in a different way. That's it.
Well, all the best. Go well.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the two unbeaten teams this season in the CCL T10 Blast facing off against each other, and it is the Telugu Warriors who won the toss, and they're going to be bowling first.
He's the winning horse for the captain, and he's opening with the new ball, and that is what they're playing for. The shiny metal, this is what they're playing for. Of course, on the right hand side is the winner's trophy, and on the left is for the runners up.
So all to play for, all in readiness here for the big final. Good crowd as well has turned up at the Uppal here at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. It's a holiday crowd, it's Christmas as well, and we're all set for this final. All in readiness, all in excitement, waiting for the action to begin. A lot of support for both the sides. Going to be Alexander opening the innings, but just in that excitement, just building on.
Alexander, well, he was handy with the ball as well. He looks more like a professor than a cricketer. And Raghu opening the bowling for the Telugu Warriors, and that is smashed on the offside and is intercepted. Well, they need to make an impact right from the beginning. The first 3 overs will entertain the power plays, and let us remind you that only 2 fielders are permitted on the boundary. So that means you have to make most. No dot deliveries. The Chennai Rhinos in the previous game gave away 4 overs as dot deliveries. But that is something that cannot be repeated by any of the teams, and this is the final for today, and very good fielding effort towards point. And this is the CCL 10 Blast powered by Bharti Cement, and this is the final between Telugu Warriors and the Kerala Strikers. Exchanging notes, the batsman and the non-striker, and it is Raghu who perhaps will cause that first casualty, that first blow. They have to be careful.
Oh, that's played in the air, and that's going to be the first runs as well for the Kerala Strikers. Good effort in the deep, but he's back for the second. Alexander. This is a very dangerous pair, Rajiv and Alexander. Did well yesterday. A lot of support from them, a lot of pretty faces as well.
Colourful support in the dugout of the Chennai team. And speaking about Sachin Joshi, could not do much with the bat. And this will be his turn to once again shine with the ball. But it is Raghu now who's looking for a breakthrough. Will he get it? Perhaps not.
आप बात कर रहे थे सचिन जोशी की, और लीजिए डायरेक्ट हिट आते ही अब दिलचस्प रहेगा क्या पहुंच गए थे, जिसका आप नाम ले रहे थे विनीत, वही एक्शन में नजर आए हैं।
अजय, मैंने इनकी जब भी तारीफ की है, इन्होंने या तो चौका छक्का मारा है या फिर विकेट ली है, या फिर एक विकेट टेकिंग कॉज में इनकी जो भूमिका है काफी महत्वपूर्ण रही है।
पर यहाँ पहुंच गए हैं, यहाँ पे बल्ला ड्रैग करते हुए, तो यहाँ पे नुकसान होगा नहीं केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए। और वही हाथ हिलाते हुए निर्देश आया थर्ड एम्पायर से कि बैट्समैन अलेक्जेंडर सुरक्षित है, कोई हानि नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं।
रोचक मुकाबला, फाइनल ऑफ द सीसीएल, 7वां संस्करण है ये, और क्राउड की भूमिका को नजरअंदाज नहीं कर सकते। 5वां गेंद पहले ओवर का और एंड स्ट्रक डाउन द ग्राउंड, विल गिव इट चेज एंड दे ओनली मैनेज टू गेट अ सिंगल।
यही कार्य रघु ने किया था पिछले मुकाबले में, लगातार दबाव डाला था, लाइन अच्छी थी। अगर आप इस ओवर में देखें, केवल 3 रन आए हैं। ये पहला ओवर है, पावर प्ले चल रहा है, 3 ओवर का पावर प्ले है। केवल 2 खिलाड़ी जो 30 गज का दायरा है उससे बाहर रह सकते हैं, पर कितनी बढ़िया किफायती गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं।
Parsimonious is the word that one perhaps must use when it comes to economical bowling, and Raghu has shown his mastery in that. The preceding match, he held on to his grit, and of course the line and length with which he bowled was consistent. And the last ball of the first over, trying to strike it towards point, will they manage to get a single? Perhaps not. And at the end of the first over, it's 3 runs for no loss.
Batted well, he's got a job with the ball as well. They have some decent all-rounders. और तभी इस टीम का जो संतुलन है इतना बढ़िया नजर आता है। ये केरला स्ट्राइकर्स का खेमा जो डग आउट है, जानते हैं कि एक बड़ा मुकाबला है। अभी तक अगर तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की बात करें, पिछले 2 खिताब उनके नाम रहे हैं, पर केरला स्ट्राइकर्स ने अभी तक खिताब जीता नहीं है। शुरू में मुझे याद है चेन्नई राइनोज ने बाजी मारी, फिर कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स ने, फिर पिछले 2 संस्करणों में अब तेलुगु वॉरियर्स ने। लेग स्टंप के बाहर जा रही थी गेंद।
जी, लेग स्टंप के अगर बाहर जा रही है तो आउट नहीं दिया जा सकता। और बात कर रहे थे संस्करण की, और जब पहला संस्करण खेला गया था सीसीएल का अजय, तब सिर्फ 4 ही टीमें थी। उसके बाद जिस प्रकार से इसकी लोकप्रियता बढ़ी है वो बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ है। जिस तरीके से इस फॉर्मेट को हैंडल किया गया है और जिस तरीके से सारी फिल्म, और ये पंच डाउन द ग्राउंड एंड वेल फील्डेड, they only managed to get a single, and this is the effort that will help them curtail the Kerala strikers to a paltry total, and that is what they need. They need a paltry total so that they can get there in style in front of this home ground. And Prince, like Ajay Mehra was saying, batted really well when Sachin Joshi and Akhil Akineni departed. He was the man who held fort, but nevertheless a good effort from the fielder over there and much appreciated by the bowler.
You know, you really have to appreciate that, because this is not their main profession. You know, their main profession, we all know, is acting. But the way they're showing that commitment, one has to admire that. Once again, nicely played on the onside. He has a big role to play, Rajiv. He's got to lay a good foundation. They're playing against a good quality side like Telugu Warriors that bat deep.